Do you have a cluttered garage? Need some organization? Need to get stuff up off the floor? Maybe even use your garage for a car. On this episode of Field Guide to DIY, we're going to take advantage of a overcar garage storage. We're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to install and mount and maybe even organize your stuff in your garage. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in.
Most kits come with all the hardware necessary. We'll have a link to the kit we used in the description below. Step 1. Locate the ceiling rafters and mount the brackets. Here's a tip. Drill pilot holes slightly smaller than the lag bolts. You'll be glad you did. And here's another tip. A socket on a drill dries the lag bolts very quickly. And here are the brackets for a 48 by 96 inch shelf. Step 2. Attach the down straps to each mount. Step 3. Now attach the down strap extensions to achieve the height you want. Step 4. Attach the side rails to the down straps. Step 5. Attach the end cross members on each end. Now it's starting to take shape. Step 6. Attach the panel cross members to the side rails. Step 7. Measure and cut your plywood to fit. Here's a tip. Set your finger as a scribe and run it along to quickly cast the line on your plywood. And finally, step 8, drop your plywood in place.
There. That looks tons better. Cleaned up the whole floor. You can get a car in here now. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Thanks for watching.